Ano ko ma? So, what's up? Tayo ay bili ng malaki na burger. Biggest burger in McDonald's. Kita tayo mamaya. Patungo na ako sa McDonald's Surigao. So, orderin natin ang pinakamalaking burger sa McDonald's Surigao. Guys, disclaimer, hindi po ito sponsored. This is my own money, so don't expect guys. So basically, fan ako ng burger. I really love burgers. Pero yung burger hindi ako mahal.
Oh my god.
Ko, na, what if bibili ako ng burger sa McDo? Yung malaki. Pag-isipan ko to. Random. So dalawang McDonald's dito sa Surigao. So I'll just choose one. Pipili ng isa lang. Either sa malapit sa Gaisano or malapit sa city. So guys, patungo na tayo.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So I have decided na doon ako mag-drive through sa McDonald's near Gaisano Mall, Surigao. Fine day here in Surigao, so perfect na yung weather. Not really perfect kasi medyo cloudy pa siya. But cloudy is my definition of perfect weather.
Wow!
Walang init, pero medyo mainit din kasi less on air eh. Parang humid. Doon tayo para at least more on a road trip. More road trip, more fun. Hamburgers. So, fan talaga ako ng burgers. Nung nag-review ako sa Cebu, parati ako nag-order sa Burger King. Kahit gipit na. So guys, dito sa McDonald's Surigao, alam ko yung malaking burger and it's not on the menu. So, tuturuan ko kayo paano maka-order ng pinakamalaking burger. At hindi lang kung pinakamalaking burger, meron din silang rare burgers na hindi mo inakala na nasa menu. Maliit lang ang kinain ko ngayong lunch. I've prepared for this vlog. Thought of this content like a week ago. Oh, by the way guys, this is my first video na nag-uusap ako. This is my first video na nag-uusap ako and my second video sa aking channel. So I'm speaking Tagalog para makaintindi naman yung iba na nasa ibang lugar like Manila. Mix po yung language ko, Bisaya, English, tsaka Tagalog. And we're here. We're gonna make a left turn. Drive through lang tayo kasi walang dine-in. Miss, pwede palantaw sa secret menu?
Sa first window kan sir.
Okay. Guys, ito na. Sabi ko na pwede patingin sa secret menu and ito na yung mga hidden burgers nila. So merong 5 burger dito na wala doon sa front. So the biggest burger here is double Big Mac. So yun yung kunin ko. Next to that is itong double quarter pounder with cheese. So hindi ako fan ng cheese pero parang pwedeng special order without cheese yan. So itong double Big Mac muna guys, okay? Isa ka double Big Mac na small meal. Small meal. Pineapple. Why Coke? Okay, Coke. Thank you. Thank you. Proceeding to the pick up here area. Pick up here area. Okay.
Double Big Mac sir, regular fries and drinks.
Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Dito ako kakain kasi bawal dine in eh. So, let's dig in. Coke for the drinks. Yun. Get that ketchup. I don't like ketchup. And syempre with fries. So guys, double Big Mac unboxing.
Wow!
So guys, this is the double Big Mac. So basically, it's a burger with 4 patties. Oh yes, 4 patties. Nasa ilalim pa. I doubt na mauubos ko ito. 4 patties, my god. Imagine that. I've never had a burger with 4 patties. So, let's dig in. Sa box pa lang malaki. Maraming lettuce. Yeah. Hindi ko alam anong view mode mo, pero ito. Napakaganda ng view ko. Oh my god. Glory to God. Bless me, Father. No! Muntik nang malaglag ang gago. Oh, the patty. So yeah. Not like the ordinary burger in McDo. Guys, maraming lettuce. Healthy living. Oh god.
Oh my god.
Get me some tissue. Highly recommend you to eat this. Said I'm a fan of burgers, so walang burger na hindi masarap unless hindi talaga masarap, diba? I'm not yet halfway through. Parang 1/4 pa lang nakain ko, pero I'm feeling a bit full na. Guys, it's very big talaga. Maliit lang bukang ako. Oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm gonna eat it backwards. Dude, wala yung patty. Ay. Nalata na yung patty. So as you can see, I'm eating it upside down kasi yung bun niya sa baba maliit compared sa the upper bun is bigger than in the bottom. Almost there. Almost there. Final piece, final munch.
Oh my god.
Easy. Patulak muna. Coke. Tapos na. Naubos ko na. Yung fries nandito pa, hindi ko pa ibinibigay, pero ibibigay ko to kasi hindi ko na talaga kaya. Pero akin na to, yung fries bibigay ko na. Thanks for watching. Salamat sa panonood. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Ano yun yung next video ko? So guys, comment down below content suggestions. So tumatanggap ako ng content suggestions. That is it for today. See you on my next vlog.